How to see the card number on your Google Pay. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see the card number on your Google Pay. So the very first thing is to launch your App Store or Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can simply search for GPay. Google Pay, not GPay. And after that, you will see the option of Google Pay right there. Let's again search it like Google Pay here. So this is the application that we're searching right now. Since it is not available on my region, so it was not showing there. But if it is available in your region, then you can simply follow the following steps. And after that, on the top right side, you will see there is a profile linked on it. Just tap on it. Then you should make sure that you have linked your bank account with a valid card to see the account number on it. And also the SIM card that you have linked should be registered on the bank as well. If you do that, then you can simply tap on your profile on the top right side, and then you will see the option of bank account right there. After you see the option of bank account right there, you will see all the informations of account number, card number, and everything right there. So that is how you can simply do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.